guys, I'm sat here at the boat ramp, so I thought I'd do a little video for you. Yeah, so this is the Tootgarook boat ramp. How beautiful. Basically the cars just queue up there and take it in turns to use the ramp. It's free in Victoria. I assume it's probably free in other states, but yeah, it's free here to use the boat ramp. Such a nice day today. Yeah, we bought a boat when we came over, and it's in our garage, so if that's something you want to do, it's just like a really brilliant activity. Yeah, we had to get, well, you didn't have to get a fishing license. We also got our fishing licenses, which is really easy to do. You just basically pay money. You don't need to do anything. And then obviously to drive the boat, you need a marine license. So because of COVID, it was just all online. So that was pretty easy as well, to be honest. You had to learn quite a lot, watch some videos, read some books, but it was fairly simple, really like your driving theory in the UK. Yeah, so me and Wes both passed. I think there was about 30 questions and you had to get 28 right or something like that. And then you could also do like a jet ski add-on, which was a further maybe 15 questions. Yeah, but again, all relatively simple. So if that's something you guys want to do when you're in Australia, it really is no drama at all. You can pick up a little second-hand boat, or yeah, whatever you fancy. But yeah, beautiful day, so just thought